The Nutri Ninja with Auto-iQ technology features intelligent programs that combine unique blending and pausing patterns. Each Auto-iQ setting is designed to deliver delicious drinks with maximum nutrient and vitamin extraction. Select Blend for frozen ingredients like ice or frozen fruit for a creamy texture, or select Ultra Blend for fibrous ingredients like kale and seeds to achieve a juice-like consistency.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.